I'm standing at Skid Wrapper, and we're looking at one of our boxes with the color-coded tape on it. As you know, each assembly line gets its own colored tape so that we can differentiate the different titles as they're coming down the conveyor. Occasionally, this tape will come off the machine and get mangled. It doesn't happen often, but it happens, you know, once a day, which is small compared to the number of boxes that we do in a day. So I mapped it out, and to walk over there and back is 40 steps, and it takes almost an entire minute to walk from here all the way around there to over there. So I had him design this, build this. There's two different color tapes that we use. Hib's got, or Home's got his scissors over here. So instead of making that walk, just pull the tape out, cut it off, put it back in the box. Very simple solution. 80 steps there and back, according to my Fitbit, in a whole minute, almost, every time. So this is, as I said, very, very simple, but also extremely effective. Lean. Gonna save some steps today.